Hello everyone, if you're trying to mirror your iPhone screen to your Samsung Smart TV and it isn't quite working, it might simply be that Apple Airplay is disabled in your settings. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to enable it step by step. Let's begin by pressing the home button on the Samsung remote control. Now, from this main menu, we're gonna press the left arrow key to navigate all the way to the left until you reach this settings icon right here. It looks like a small gear. Once this is highlighted, press the center button to open your settings menu. Next, we're gonna scroll down. You're gonna see this list of settings. However, we're going to select General. From there, we're gonna scroll down again until you see Apple Airplay settings. And please go ahead and select that. And right there, you can enable Apple Airplay now just by clicking the center button. However, before we enable it, I highly recommend resetting your AirPlay settings, especially if you've had trouble connecting in the past. To do this, just scroll down and select Require Code. Then scroll down one more time to select Reset Paired Devices. Now confirm this by selecting Remove. And it's time to connect your iPhone. Let's make sure your iPhone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your phone, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. And now tap the screen mirroring icon, the one with the two overlapping rectangles. Your Samsung Smart TV should appear on the list. And now tap on your TV's name and a code will pop up on your TV screen. Go ahead and type that code into your iPhone like this and then hit OK. Your iPhone screen should now be projected right onto your TV. However, if you're still having issues, I recommend a quick power cycle by unplugging both your TV and your Wi-Fi router for about 1 minute. And right after that, you plug them back in, let the router boot up, and then go ahead and try to establish the connection again as we did just now. And if these steps don't work for you, please leave a comment down below and I will be more than glad to help you further. Just let me know exactly what's going on with your situation. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye bye now.